welcome to our channel. After a long days, so we are starting the classes. Okay, today I am going to tell about globe model of the Earth. Globe, it is an important topic to say, so that I am telling. Globe, that is not a topic. It is a model of the Earth. The Earth we cannot see directly all the Earth. So with the help of the globe, we can see all the continents, oceans, birds, and all of the present all of them which are presenting in the earth. Okay, first of all, welcome to Lakshmi Sairam Study and Activities channel. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. It's very helpful for studies. We coming to the topic. First, globe the model of the earth. What is globe? What we can see in the globe? What the globe will show to us? Globe, it is the model of the earth. It shows the shape of the earth. Basically, globe, it is the model of the earth and it shows the shape of the earth. Okay, the land on the water, the land on the water, the land, so much land present in earth, over so many water bodies present in earth that can all will show the globe. The continents and oceans. Basically, the continents and oceans, we all know about continents. There are 7 continents and also oceans and many countries in the world. There are so many countries. This is how the globe will looks like. The globe will like a spherical in a spherical shape similar to the earth, so that's why the globe is called as a model of the earth. Okay, you are seeing the globe as you are seeing here, as you are seeing here all the water bodies and also all the continents present in the globe. See, all air services, that all information will we we will see in the globe. And also here we are seeing the earth, the real earth, taking the photograph from the space. From space the earth is look like here. You are seeing the image, so it's like the earth is looks like from the space. Here you are seeing the continents, but you will not see it clearly. You will see the white color pot, the water bodies also you can see clearly, but the globe will be give us so much information and correct in a correct manner. Coming to the earth is a ball. First of all, in the 14th, in late 14th centuries, in the 13th, 14th centuries, the between 13th, 14th centuries, the people in the world will believe that the earth is in a square shape. When we travel in a vehicle, when we reach at the bottom of the earth, we will slip down like that. The people in the 13th, 14th century will believe like that. But in 1492 AD, Columbus, an Italian explorer. Columbus is an Italian explorer, assumes Earth like a ball. So he only assumes that Earth is like a ball. He decided to reach India and going to along western direction from Europe. So he was going to reach our India. He was trying to reach along western direction. Western direction, but Italy to India will come means it will be there in the eastern direction. But Columbus will believe that it is in the western direction. He travels in the western direction, but he reaches Caribbean islands, America. He reached USA and he invented the USA. USA country is that he will invented the USA country. Caribbean islands means nowadays we will call as it West Indies. Okay, he reached West Indies rather than India. So he tried to reach India, but he reached that Caribbean islands, America. Okay, oceans and continents. So before we discuss all about that globe, now we will see what is there in the globe, what we can see in the globe, and what the globes give of us information. Oceans and continents. First of all, oceans we will discuss. So now we are having 3 questions. How many oceans are there and what are they? Which is the largest and smallest ocean on the earth? How many continents are there and what are they? See, by answering these questions, we will see that don't skip the video. You will see at the ending of the video. Then only you will give the answers of these questions. There are 5 oceans in the world. Basically, there are five oceans. What are they? Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest one. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean. Okay. Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and also Arctic Ocean is the smallest. And Arctic Ocean is smallest. So you will write like yes, smallest, and also yes, longest. Longest and smallest. It, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. We will mark like L and S. And Atlantic Ocean is the second biggest ocean, and also Indian Ocean. Indian Ocean, we all know about Indian Ocean. It is below. It is slightly below in the Indian subcontinent. Okay, these are the five oceans. Once again, we will revise the oceans in the world: Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. These are the five oceans present in the world. Coming to who discovered globe. Globe. Once a thing or any once a thing or any object we will discover means that will come, and also the name will come like that. Globe also discovered one person. We will see about the person. Earliest extant terrestrial globe was made in 1492 by Martin Behem. So Martin Behem was made that globe, the earlier extant terrestrial globe. It is not like nowadays modern globes are discovering. It will increasing, and also it will be. The globes are all changing. The shape will change, and also the color, and all will change. The technology will change. It means the globe all will change. Okay. Martin Behem made the globe in 1492. His lifetime was 1459 to 1537. So he born in 1459 and also died in 1537. With help, with help from the painter George Glockenden. Okay. First of all, George Glockenden painted that he created like a engineer, means he created the plan how to make the globe, and also he painted that all the globe like in this color or that color like that. Beham was a German map maker. Okay, actually Martin Beham was a map maker. In before there is no globes and all, maps is there. Map makers is a very popular at that times. Navigator and merchant. He also a navigator, so he will be more knowledge in the directions of all all the directions, how in which direction we will go and which direction we will, like that. He is a navigator and a merchant means he had a own shop, so he had a business like that. Merchant is working in Nuremberg, Germany. So he was from Germany. He lived in Germany, Nuremberg, a city in the Germany. He called his globe the Nuremberg terrestrial globe. Okay. He called his globe like the name of Nuremberg terrestrial globe. Okay, this is the discovery. Okay, this is the discovery of globe. Martin Behem. Martin Behem discovered globe, and also with the help of German George Glockenden, he discovered the globe. Okay, here you are seeing the structure of the globe. Now, it is the first globe that Martin Behem and George Glockenden discovered. This is the structure of the globe he discovered. Okay, friends, this is our today's class. In today's class, we discussed about what is globe, we discovered globe and the five oceans. Tomorrow's class, we will discuss about the continents. Okay, continents means only half class will not enough with continents, because it will give many information about seven continents. I will give detailed information about the seven continents in tomorrow's class. So in this class, we discussed about all the important points about the globe, and also the first globe. Here you are seeing the structure of the first globe. See how nowadays the globe is and earlier days globe is. It will slightly make different because the technology is changing. That's why the all the structure and also shape will change. Okay, friends, this is our today's class. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe my channel. And also, if you like this video, press like button and share it to your family members. It is also helpful from them also. Okay, friends. Thank you. Thanks for watching.